Welcome to High List Analytics. Today, I'll take you deep inside the world of DAX. Data Analysis Expressions, the most powerful language that powers all your calculations inside Power BI, Power Pivot, and analysis services. We'll explore 80+ DAX formulas, categorized by their function type and small example. And I have given the link of structure-wise PDF of 80 DAX formula in description, so you can understand when, where, and why to use each one. I know this is era of AI, but you also need to keep in mind that even asking AI questions requires basic knowledge. That's why I created this course. I'm only covering the DAX formula, its brief explanation, and the structure of the DAX, as my goal is to introduce you to DAX. By the end of this video, you'll know most of the DAX formulas. 1. Aggregation functions, summarizing data. 1. SUM. Adds up all the values in a column. Use when you need total sales, total cost, or total profit. Example: sum sales amount. And 2. SUMX. Performs a row-by-row calculation and then adds results. Use for calculated totals with conditions. Example: SUMX, sales, quantity, sales price. 3. Average. Returns the average of a column. Use for mean sales, rating, or performance measure. Example: average sales revenue. 4. Average X. Calculates the average over an expression. Use when you want weighted averages or dynamic measures. Example: average X. Products, price. Products, weight. 5. IMIN. Finds the smallest value in a column. Example: min orders, delivery time. 6. Max. Finds the largest value in a column. Example: max orders, delivery time. 7. Count. Counts all numbers in a column. Example: count, sales order ID. 8. Counte. Counts non-blank rows. Example: counter, customer name. 9. Count rows. Counts the number of rows in a table. Use for total orders or customers. Example: count rows, sales. 10. Distinct count. Counts unique values. Used to find total unique customers or products. Example: distinct count, sales, customer ID. 2. Time intelligence functions, date-based calculations. 11. Today. Returns current date. And 12. Now. Returns current date and time. 13. Year, month, day. Extract parts of date. Example: year, sales date. 14. Same period last year. Shifts period back by 1 year. Use for Y-o-Y comparison. Example: same period last year, sales date. 15. Previous month, previous year, next month, next year. Used to compare data between months or years. Example: previous month, sales date. 16. Dates YTD. Returns year-to-date range. Example: dates YTD, sales date. 17. Total YTD. Calculates YTD total. Example: total YTD, sum sales amount, sales date. 18. Total MTD, total QTD, for monthly or quarterly totals. Example: total MTD, sum sales amount, sales date. 19. Date add. Shifts a date by given number of intervals. Example: date add, sales date, 1 year. 20. Dated if. Finds difference between two dates. Example: dated if, orders start, orders end, day 3. Logical functions, conditions and decisions. 21. If. Returns value based on a condition. Example: if sales profit, 0. Profit, loss. 22. If error. Returns alternate value if error occurs. Example: if error, sales value, sales count, 0. 23. Switch. Replaces multiple ifs with simpler logic. Example: switch, sales region, north, zone 1, south, zone 2, other. 24. And, or, not. Logical operators for multiple conditions. Example: if, in sales revenue, 1,000, sales profit 100, good, poor. 25. Coalesce. Returns first non-blank value. Example: coalesce, sales discount, 0. 4. Filter functions, controlling context. 26. Calculate. The most powerful DAX function. Changes filter context and performs custom calculations. Example: calculate, sum sales amount, region East. 27. Filter. Returns a filtered table. Example, filter, sales, sales amount, 1000. 28. All, removes filters from columns. Example, calculate, sum sales amount, all sales. 29. I'll accept, removes filters except specified columns. Example, calculate, sum sales amount, I'll accept sales, sales region. 30. All selected, ignores all filters except those applied manually by user. Example, calculate, sum sales amount, all selected sales. 31. Values, returns unique values from a column. Example, values, customer country. 32. Related table, returns related rows from another table. Example, contros, related table, orders. 33. User relationship, activates inactive relationships in modal. Example, calculate, sum sales amount. User relationship, date ship date, sales date. Text functions, working with text fields. 34. Concatenate, joins two text strings. Example, concatenate, customer first, customer last. 35. Concatenatix, joins multiple rows into one string. Example, concatenatix, product name. 36. Left, right, mid, extract parts of text. Example, left, customer phone. 3. 36. Len, counts text length. Example, len, customer name. 38. Search, find, finds position of text. Example, search, Inc., customer company. 39. Substitute, replaces text inside a string. Example, substitute, customer address, street, saint. 40. Upper, lower, proper, change text case. Example, upper, customer city. 6. Mathematical and statistical functions. 41. Round, round up, round down, rounds numbers. Example, round sales profit. 2. 42. Int, returns integer part of number. Example, int sales price. 43. Mod, returns remainder after division. Example, mod sales amount. 5. 44. ABS, returns absolute value. Example, ABS sales loss. 45. Divide, safe division that handles divide by zero errors. Example, divide, sales revenue, sales cost, 0. 46. Power, raises a number to a power. Example, power, sales growth. 2. 47. SQRT, square root. Example, SQRT, sales variance. 7. Relationship and lookup functions. 48. Related, fetch value from related table. Example, related, customer country. 49. Lookup value, returns value from another table based on condition. Example, lookup value, product category, product ID, sales product ID. 50. Treatise, applies relationships dynamically. Example, calculate sum sales amount. Treatise, values region name, sales region. 8. Table functions for advanced modeling. 51. ADD columns, adds calculated columns to a table. Example, AD columns, sales, profit, sales revenue, sales cost. 52. Select columns, select specific columns from table. Example, select columns, sales region, amount, sales amount. 53. Summarize, creates a summary table. Example, summarize, sales region, total, sum sales amount. 54. Generate, cross joins tables. Example, generate, customer, orders. 55. Union, combines tables with same columns. Example, union, table A, table B. 56. Intersect, returns common rows between two tables. Example, intersect, table A, table B. 57. Except, returns rows from one table, not in another. Example, except, table A, table B. 9. Ranking and evaluation functions. 58. Ranks, ranks items in order. Example, ranks all sales, sum sales amount. 59. Topn, returns top n rows by measure. Example, topn 5, sales amount. 60. Earlier, refers to earlier row context. Example, used in calculated columns for comparing current versus previous row. 61. VAR, return, creates variables inside measures. Example, VAR profit, sum sales revenue, sum sales cost, return profit, sum sales cost. 10. Advanced and utility functions. 62. IS blank, checks if value is blank. 63. is number, is text, is empty, type checks. 64. Hayson value, Hayson filter, used in measures with filters. 65. Selected value, returns currently selected value in slicer. 66. Distinct, returns unique column values as a table. 67. Cross-join, returns Cartesian product of tables. 68. Group by, groups rows like SQL group by. 69. Summarize columns, optimized for multiple grouping levels. 70. Generate series, creates a virtual number table. 11. Financial and business use cases. 71. ROI calculation, ROI of divide, sum sales profit, sum sales cost, 0. 72. Profit margin, your divide, sum sales profit, sum sales revenue. 73. Running, total, calculate, sum sales amount, filter all sales date, max sales date. 74. Year-over-year growth, sum sales amount, calculate, sum sales amount, same period last year, sales date, calculate, sum sales amount, same period last year, sales date. 75. Customer retention, calculate, distinct count, customer ID, filter, customer, repeat, true. 76. Sales ranking, ranks all sales product, sum sales revenue, desk. 77. Total customers, distinct count, customer ID. 78. Active products, calculate, controls product status, active. 79. Average order, value, divide, sum sales revenue, count sales order ID. E80. Conversion rate, divide, sum sales conversions, sum sales visitors. And that's the complete DAX Master Formula Guide. We explored more than 80 real-world DAX functions, their types, use cases, and applications, covering everything from basic sums to advanced business metrics. If you want to master DAX and build professional dashboards like a pro, follow and subscribe to Highlist Analytics for more deep dive tutorials.